Look, I don't know what to say. It's only been 12 minutes. What took you so long? Yes! This has been the best last day on Earth ever! A diamond! I need a diamond! Where can I find a... Oh! Perfect!
No, Sid, sweetie! Don't do that!
Nonsense. Only the best for my one true love. Whoopsies!
No! Oh, simpleton! Nincompoop!
You talking to her or me?
That wall was the one thing keeping us young. Now we're all doomed! Doomed! And now I think I have a fever. Thank you so much, doofus.
Hey, easy there, Llama. This is the doofus of my dreams. He meant well.
Oh, he meant well. Who cares?
So much for serenity.
300 years of peace and harmony undone by one colossally, incredibly, stupendously stupid sloth!
Oh, Brooke.
Wow, you guys got old. Whatever we had, it's over.
That's what happens when you date a cougar.
I'm really sorry, Mr. Llama.
Sorry. Sorry doesn't fix the wall now, does it, you little... I need a bubble bath or a massage. Who knows acupuncture? I need to let my anger out. Let it out! I've been pent up too long. Ah! I want to hit something. Someone give me their face.
That's it! Pent-up energy! Earth's most powerful propulsion device is right in front of us!
Who? Spitty McGee here?
The volcano! That's our magnet launcher. All we need to do is seal the steam vents around it.
That's a crazy plan.
You're a crazy plan.
That doesn't even make any sense.
And what are you? A professor of logic? Professor Kitty McWhiskers of the University of Yam 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 Yam? You see? Tremendous pressure leads to a tremendous explosion.
And you call yourself a professor.
Right. We need all the crystals loaded into the volcano pronto.
What? No! I'm not giving you my crystals. We need them to rebuild our sanctuary.
May I remind you, Geotopia is not yours to keep.
No, you may not.
It came from the sky, and now it's time to give it back.
It's not.
It's too, you old coot. Change isn't easy, but it's part of life. It's time for us to embrace it again, whether you like it or not.
Not.
Listen, Llama, I will go nuts and granola on your butt, so either get on board or go twist yourself into a pretzel and Nama stay out of our way. Come on, everybody, grab every crystal you can find. And remember, lift with your legs.
Too late.
Listen up, Planetary Defense Team. Step 1. Build pressure inside the volcano by sealing the vents. No steam can escape. If there's a leak, the pressure is weak. Step 2. Get the biggest magnetic crystals into the volcano. They've got to be launched sky high to pull the asteroid off course.
Ho! Ho! Rah! Tell that asteroid!
Hashtag asteroid!
Hashtag, what does hashtag mean?
Hashtag, I don't know, but it sounds cool.
Hashtag totally!
Hashtag, I'm starting to get sick of it.
This is it, friends. Down the hatch. Every crystal counts.
Good news, everyone! We're 6 minutes ahead of schedule. Somebody up there likes us. Bad news! Somebody up there doesn't like us. We're 6 minutes behind schedule. Double time, everyone. We need that big crystal.
Hey, bro, Dad.
We got company.
Ooh, I'll put out the sponge cake.
Steady. Steady.
Sorry about this. I'm really conflicted right now.
Oh, that's more like it, Roger. Now finish him.
Wait, you don't understand. You see that? If that asteroid hits, we all die.
If it hits, we all die.
That's where you're wrong. See, while you run for your mammal lives, we'll be high in the sky, cruising above it all.
That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
We'll be as safe as those little birdies. Lucky shot. Very lucky shot.
I knew it! I was right! There's no paradise!
What? I'm too young to go extinct!
She gets it! Now, please! We haven't got much time!
What are you waiting for? Kill him!
No, Dad. I won't let you. Do you want to know what I love about our family? That we're alive. There are more important things than your pride right now. If you care about us, you should not kill him. You should help him, Dad.
Pop, I hate to say this, but my freaky little brother may be right.
As a father, I would work with my worst enemy to ensure a brighter future for my little one. Reinforcements have arrived!
All right, Roger. Lead the way.
Oh, so that's what approval sounds like.
Keep it up, dinos! Use that Jurassic super strength!
Beep, beep, beep. Watch out, kids!
The weasel has landed. I'll push it in. Go with Peaches and Ellie!
No! I'm not leaving you! We'll do this together!
Mom, where are they?
Ellie, we've got to get everyone off the volcano.
Folks, I'm out of cake, but I got salami.
Faster, faster!
I'm out of cake, but I got salami.
Granny, come on.
Hey, well,
This isn't working!
Add air on the half pipe! Manny, I have a plan. We have to let the crystal go.
You know we're trying to get it in the volcano, right?
Manny, the only thing I want is a life with Peaches. And to prove myself to you. So, okay, two things. I want two things. Do you really think I'd waste the only chance I have left?
Okay, let's do it!
On my count. 1, 2, 3!
What are they doing?
Did it work?
Yes! I take back everything I ever said about you.
Wait, what?
Now let's get out of here!
What happened?
Maybe it's the quiet before the crazy?
Eddie!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
We did it! We did it!
In your face, Space Rock!
Yeah, baby! Woohoo! Yeah! Oh!
that on the lips, geezer.
Road, you stupid rock! We just stopped the doomsday clock! Woo! Yes! Yeah! Whoa!
Bring it in, bro son. Welcome to the family. And you coconut. I'll never doubt you again.
See? Daddy's always right. Remember that when you're older.
You sure you can't come with us?
Oh, Sydney, I wish I could. But we both know this is for the best. You've got your whole life in front of you. Besides, I'll have Granny to keep me company.
You're staying too?
Are you kidding? This place is great. Tonight's the big talent show, and tomorrow, naked bingo.
You coming, Gladys? I ain't getting any younger. Woo!
What? I can't hear you.
What? I can't hear you.
What? I can't hear you. What?
You'll always be my one true love. Here.
Wow. Hold on.